Oh, it's cold. Hello, welcome to Mark II Golf Stories. Today we're going to be moving the GCD from here to my mum and dad's house. Because I'm going to be moving, so I won't have access to this drive space, so it's got to go somewhere. This is Mark II Golf Stories. Let's do it. Oh. Always remember to tighten up your wheel nuts, boys and girls, otherwise your wheel will come off. Off she goes. I think that's possibly the most she's moved in a long time. It should be dry where she is. Hopefully we can get a bit more work done on her. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video soon.